Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you've ever found yourself needing to fit a slightly overlong document onto fewer pages without major edits, you're in the right place. Today we're going to learn how to use Microsoft Word's Shrink One Page feature. So what you're gonna need to do is click on Customize Access toolbar, then click on More Commands. Here instead of Popular Commands, choose All Commands so that we can find Shrink One Page. Scroll down until you find Shrink One Page option. Now tap on Add button, then click on OK button. Now your Shrink One Page option has been added to the custom toolbar. Run it, and that's how you can use Microsoft Word's Shrink One Page feature to make your document shorter. This tool can be incredibly useful for meeting those strict page limits for business reports, academic papers, or any document really.